दैनिक निष्पक्ष पोस्ट, दर्पण सच का, समय से पहले, खबर से आगे।
Hello and welcome. You're watching Dainik Nishpaksh Post, India's fastest growing news platform, where news is always unbiased and voices are truly independent.
K-Care Hospital become a milestone. LBB Epic technique for heart patient introduced first time. Famous cardiologist Dr. Amit Kumar, radiologist Dr. Neha Gupta and Managing Director Vikas Agrari have discussed with our Bureau Chief Dr. K.M. Tripathi for advanced pacemaker technique and left bundle branch area facing.
Today, along with our cardiologist, Dr. Amit Kumar is along with us. What about their plan for the patient in the hospital?
First of all, I thank all of you for coming here, and we have organized press conference today to introduce a case of left bundle branch area pacing. That is the latest in the field of pacemaker implantation. As you know, that pacemaker therapy is indicated when patient develops slow heart rate. So we encountered a case where patient was having history of recurrent fall, and on investigation she was found to have intermittent slowing of her heart rate, and she was advised for pacemaker. We advised the latest therapy of pacemaker, that is the conduction system pacing, which is also known as left bundle branch area pacing. That is the latest technology in the area of pacemakers, by which you can reduce the complications of heart failure, LV dysfunction, or which is generally seen in the patients of pacemaker which is normally implanted. So we decided to go with the conduction system pacing, and it was successfully done in the patient.
What about the camp schedule conducted in your hospital?
And we are going to organize the free medical camp tomorrow, that is on 11th of September 2025, along with JCI Industries Kanpur. And here we are going to give advice not only in the field of cardiology, but we will also having specialists from other fields like medicine, general surgery, orthopedic, ops and gynae, pediatric, ENT surgeons will be there. So we will try to take help of all the medical team, and we'll try to not only give free consultation, but also will try to do some basic investigation free of cost. And for the investigation which are costlier, we are going to do at a very subsidized rate.
What is the procedure of the?
We are also planning to distribute the health card to patients who are coming tomorrow for camp, and that will be given free of cost. And with this card, they can avail the discount not only tomorrow, but over the period of time. We are planning to keep it active till 31st December 2025.
What about the faculties and the facilities in KKR hospital?
So, as we have done a lot of press conferences, I've already told a lot of people that we have all the kind of facilities, private rooms, ICU, NICU, HDU, cardiac care unit, and all the departments are actively working for the betterment of the patients. And we also have tie-ups with all the insurance company providers. So, anyone having insurance card can come and get the free surgery or any treatment done. At the same time, we are also having Ayushman empanelment to our hospital. So every Ayushman individual can come and get their free treatment.
Thank you for watching Dainik Nishpaksh Post, delivering news that's clear and unbiased. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Only on Dainik Nishpaksh Post.